Hi everybody, I hope you're fine. First, this is our school, the Athénée Royal of Jodogne.
So, Laura, not too quick.
It's a private school. In Belgium there are also Cadet school and finally private school. The Athénée Royal of Jodogne was built in the 19th century?
20th
century. So we will visit it together. Come on.
Here in the hall, you see there is the headmaster's room. We cannot come inside, we are sorry. We go further on. And you got here the secretary room. And the next door is our headmaster's room. So they are
all of the students go to the study room when the teacher is absent, when we have a free period, or when we have participants to a lesson. The school starts at 8 o'clock and finishes at 4 o'clock. In our class we have 3 hours of free period. Monday on Monday the last hour, on Wednesday is the first hour, and the last hour of Friday. When an hour of Tuesday is early morning or late, we aren't obliged to go to Tuesday. We are allowed to go out of the school if our parents are agree. If the free period is in the middle of the day, we have to go to the study room. In the study room, we have in the study room there is a calendar of the school looking after us. To keep us busy, we can work, we can listen to music, we can read a book, the study room contains 90 students. If there are more students than expected, another teacher supports students who have not seats and they go to the free class. During the study, we need to follow certain rules. We can not eat, not drink, not smoke, not use our mobile phone, sit down correctly, not get up without permission. If you disobey a rule, the teacher can punish you by demanding to stand to copy, forcing us to stand, and the worst case send us to the principal and assistant.
Vas-y.
Hi, if you don't want to carry your bag over there, you can put some food in these lockers.
This is the work of the history class. It has been done by the last year students of the general secondary section, and this one was made by my
We are in a physics class, so Alicia, can you tell us something more about your science class? Actually, what are you studying?
Science.
Science. How many hours science do you have?
9.
Could you be more precise?
2 of biology, 2 of chemistry, and 3 of physics.
Who is your teacher of physics? All right, thank you.
Science class are big benches for the students and one big benches for the teacher. There are some instruments to do experiments in biology, physics, or chemistry. There are some posters on the walls. I have about 3 hours science in a week, and my brother and his class have about 5 to 7 hours or 9 hours physics or biology or chemistry in this week.
The first year, you have to choose between English and Dutch, and you do one during 2 years, and then the third year you have to do the other one. In the 5th year you have to choose between Spanish and German, and you do the 3 languages until you have finished the 6th year.
So this is the library.
The students for the 3rd year work and put the book in the right order.
This is before the school where the students are formed to become a child care assistant.
This is the room where we can see movie and documentary with teacher. And this is the school.
Donc they learn how to cook, how to iron, and how to help the baby.
Take care.
Take care of the baby.
Just to show what you can do, what they can do.
Au moment d'un bain, donc on a vu les yeux, compresse et sérum. On donne le bain à un bébé, l'eau du bain suffit. Donc qu'est-ce qu'on fera? Soit un visuel avec le gant de toilette, ceci sera exclu, c'est pas ça qu'on prendra. On prendra ceci, donc coton-tige avec des gros embouts qui sont au cordon ombilical. Donc on a vu qu'effectivement, en fonction des enfants, le cordon pouvait rester 1 semaine. Chez certains enfants, le cordon risque de tomber déjà après 4 jours. On prend un antiseptique et un désinfectant. Donc on appliquera un antiseptique sur une matière vivante, donc sur tout ce qui est eau. On appliquera un désinfectant sur une matière inerte. Sur une matière inerte, un plan de travail. Le propre, c'est vers le haut, le sale, c'est vers le bas. Alors,
Contraire.
contraire. Et voilà, tu déposes ton plan de travail. Voilà. Et tu désinfectes avec la température qu'il doit y avoir dans une salle de bain pour donner un bain d'enfant. 22 degrés. Vous voulez un bain à 37 degrés. Effectivement. Donc, effectivement, tu vas chercher l'enfant en berceau. Voilà, effectivement. Donc, tu vois, c'est le pli de ton coude qui doit effectivement être au niveau de la nuque. Mais donc, effectivement, on dit que l'enfant doit basculer. Alors, pour basculer un enfant, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? On bascule.
So here, this is the place where we practice physical education. When the weather is good, we practice for the outside. We practice. We run, baseball. We run. We play with the frisbee outside. I is the carpentry. This section isn't part of general secondary education, but of the vocational secondary education. You can go there in the 3rd year, not before. The students work with wood. They make a lot of things. For example, they make bank,
bench, door of windows for frame, and in the bus they will have a training course. They prepare their future job.
We are here in the mechanic block, the building. The students who work here need to repair cars, and in the last 2 years they go on a training course. After the 7 or 6 years they can go to the university, but not everyone can go because they don't have the good degree. In the part car works and mechanic, it's not the same. In car work they repair the body of the car, and in mechanic they repair the engine of the car. Sometimes people or teachers come here to repair their car. In this section they have got 36 hours lesson, but most of them they learn to repair cars. But I have also language, French lessons, and maths and science. Hi, this is my cousin Maxime. He's in the 6th year mechanic, and he's repairing a car.
Travaille dans des...
D'horreur, toi tu vas te faire taper, l'autre, t'inquiète. Qui filme. Ah, vous